Hello student, you are welcome to this class. How are you? I think everyone is okay. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, page number 56, decimals. First of all, what does it mean, decimals? Actually, Decimica is a Latin word and decimal derived from decimica, which means a tenth part. To understand this, consider a number 3.1. It is a whole part, whole number. Its place value is 3. 3 into 1, 3 place value. 3 into 1 equal to 3, but in case of decimal it will decrease. It is increased by 10 times and it will be decreased by 10 times. 1, 10. Here I write here 2, this is 23. Place value of 2 will be 2 into 10, this is 20. But if you write here 2, so its place will be 2 by 100. My clear? So this is decimal point. So a fraction is divided into two parts, whole parts and decimal parts. Am I clear? Suppose 2, 3, 4 into 2, 3, 4. It is a decimal parts and this is whole part. Here value of 4 is 4. Value of 3 is 3 into 10. Value will be increased by 10 times. 3 into 10, 30. Here it will be 2 into 100, that is 10 times of this, and this will be 2 into 100. But here it will be 2 by 10, 3 by 100 and 4 by 1000. So I think it is clear to you. 4 into 1, this will be 3 into 10, and this will be 2 into 100. 200. It is 200. It is 30. It will be 4. So I think there is no problem. We separate a fraction. A fraction, it is a fraction can be converted into decimal also. And in these two parts, a point is put here. It is called point. If there is no whole number, only 0, then we generally use 0.12. And since there is a number 23, so no need to pronounce 0. 23.12, and here 234.234. Never say 230. 230. It is 234.234, not 234. Okay, I think it is clear to you. So next we will discuss only recap chapter today. Page number 56, recap chapter. Next. Now see recap exercise. page number 56. Question number 1. Write each of the following in figure. A 0.48. So it will be written like this. 0 first put 0.38. Then number D 156.047. Write it first 156. Then put decimal point 0.047. Don't say 0.38 or point 47. Don't say like this. This will be 0.47. Next. Now see question number 2. Write the following numbers in place below table. Write the following numbers in place below table. So first of all, question number 1, 348.05 and B 207.342. So first of all, make the place below table. First of all, for whole numbers, ones place, 10 place, 100 place, and in the right side decimal points, tens, hundreds, and thousands. First of all, make the table. Then question number 1, 348 whole number. So in 100 place write 3, 10 place write 4, and ones place write 1. Then put decimal point. Here 0, 5. So in 10th place 0 will be there. In 10th place 0, and 100th place 5 will be there. So total number will be 348.05. B 207.342, not 342. 342. So write it first of all whole numbers 207, and according to the table 207, and then place decimal point. 3 in tens place 3 is there, in 100 place 4 is there, and 1000 place 2 is there. So you do yourself remaining question, do yourself. And now next question, write the following decimal numbers in words. Write the decimal number in words. Question number A 432.57. So you have to write like this: 432.57 like this. B 0.148. So similarly you will write 0 in word JDR of 0.148 right here in words 148. So I think everybody can do this. So we will proceed to the next question. Question number 4. Write each of the following decimals in expanded form. Next. Now see question number 4. Write the following decimals in expanded form. You have done it in class 5 also. Expanded form. So first of all write 408 in expanded form. It will be 400 in tens place. Nothing is there, only 0. In 10th place 0, so this will be 400 plus, no need to mention here 0, 400, 1 place 8, 400 plus 8 plus 1.1 means 1/10. Then 4, that is it is 0.4. Actually this is 1.47, that is 1 is 1/10, and 4 is, it is 100 parts of 4, that is 100 by 4 by 100, and in third it is thousands place, it will be 7th part of 1000. Similarly in D 4321. 21.433. So right, first expand this 4321. It is 400. Then 3, that is 100 place 300. Then in 2 place 2 into 10 20. Then 1 will be there, plus 1, then plus 4 by 10. 4321 plus 4 means 4 by 10, 3 means 100 by 3 by 100, and again 3 by 1000. So complete other two B and C, you do it yourself. Next, question number 5. Write the following as decimals. The question is 5 here, 15 and 5. So write 5 tenths. So write whole number 15 first and 5 tenths. That is, this is 0.5. 5 tenths. That is, this is 5 by 10. So it will be 0.5. And B, 67 and 6 hundredths. So write whole number first. 67. Write the 67 and then 6 hundredths. Now see that in tenths place nothing is there, so it will be 0. And since there is nothing in 10 place, so this will be 0. And 6 hundredths, this is 6 hundredths, so this will be 67.06. And 0 means 6 by 100. Next number 6. Express the following in rupees using decimals. 6k 40 paisa. We know that 100 paisa make a rupee. So we can write 40 paisa as rupees 0.40. 40 paisa. It is rupees. Now this part is rupees 0.40. And when we write in paisa, only 40 paisa. 40p equal to, we can write it rupees 0.40. It is converted into rupees, so no need to write the symbol of rupees, only write 40 paisa equal to 0.40 rupee. This part is rupee, not paisa. When you put decimal, then it will be converted into rupee. The 3 rupees and 5 paisa. 3 rupee completed the whole figure, 3 rupees and 5 paisa. That is 100, 5 by 100. It is actually 5 by 100. So if we write, convert it into rupee, then it will be 0.05 rupee. 0.5 rupee. And when we write in paisa, only 5 paisa. And when you put this 0.5, then it will be converted into rupee. A and B and C, do yourself. And then 7. Express the following as decimals. 4 plus 3 by 10. So if you write it in decimal first, write whole figure 4, and then 3 by 10 means 0.3. 0.3 means 3/10. So 3/10 equal to 0.3. Similarly, 28 plus 6/100. 28 is a whole figure. Write it 28 and 6/100, that is 0.06. 0.06 equal to 6/100 equal to 0.06. It is 6 out of 100. I think it is clear to you. Next. Now see question number 8. Express a kilogram using decimals. It is grams. So we know 1000 grams makes a kilogram. So this is written in gram, 368 grams. So if when you write it in kilogram, put here 0.368. This is kilogram, not 368 kilogram. So you have to read it at 0.368 kilogram, and this is gram converted into kilogram. Similarly, express in kilometer using decimals. Here it is given meter. We know that 1000 meters make a kilometer. So if you convert this meter, you have to write like this: 0.225 kilometer. This is kilometer. Now just when you put this decimal, it is not meter, it is kilometer. Similarly, number 10, express in meters using decimals. So it is centimeter, is given, you have to make it meter. So also 100 centimeters makes a meter. So write it 0.70 meter. This part is now meter. Here it is centimeter, 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter is equal to 0.70 meter. So I think there is no problem. Don't try to memorize it, seeing the answer given in the book. Try to understand. If any problem, you can ask me. So tomorrow I would like to finish here. Next day we will start the exercise 7.1. Okay, thank you.